Okay, I'm going to show you how to add in a Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office add-in. And to do that, you need to go into the admin center, the Microsoft 365 admin center. I'm in the specific area, but if you're not sure how to get there, if you just click on home, you can go up to the search bar, type in integrated, and it should resolve and give you a navigation. You go to integrated apps, it'll list your existing apps, currently Budget2SQL. So this is actually, today's example is going to be Budget2SQL version 2. So I'm just going to upload that, upload the manifest file which you would get from us. There'll be a few steps. The first thing is the manifest file is validated. Then you need to select the type of deployment. This is a production deployment, so we would just say test is equal to no, as it is. Specific users, and you would just add those users. Once you've selected the users, you click next. It then gives you a summary of what you're going to do, and you need to move through a process of accepting. So you accept. And this, on the right hand side, you'll see that it says it allows the app to see your basic profile info and allows users to sign in and read write on the document and send receive data, which is exactly what we're wanting to do. You'll pick the account. Obviously that's your account as the administrator, and you're going to read through the acceptance screen, and it's just basically more of what's here. So you'll see permissions requested. You'll see Budget2SQL version 2. You'll see it's unverified. That's Microsoft verification, where you publish apps with them for their marketplace, etc. We're currently running this as a custom app. We accept those terms and click OK or accept. You may be asked to sign in, or it'll just take you to the next screen. You then click on next. It gives you a summary of what you're about to do. And now it's going to run through a process. This will take between 10 seconds and 2 minutes, depending. You just got to wait for that to complete. Once completed, you have the deployed tick. You click done. Once that's complete, you can then go through the process of enabling your users that you've given access to go through the Excel add-in function, and then they'll be able to start using it. Thank you.